pretty butterfly.
That's an orange one. I like orange butterflies because butterflies are so pretty. I like to catch one.
Yeah, you want to catch one?
Yes. They're too fast
Yeah.
than me. They live in the sky, but they can't go up into outer space.
Butterflies can?
Because they live up in the sky, but birdies live in trees.
Oh. What about an ostrich? Does an ostrich live in a tree?
No. Ostriches can't fly. They need to fly so they can live in trees. But they're birds, so those are not flying birds.
Yeah.
Flamingos can fly, but they're water birds. And duckies can fly, but they're water birds too.
Huh. What do you think makes it so flamingos and duckies can fly, but ostriches can't fly?
Because ostriches are... What do people call ostriches?
They're birds.
Wait, what do they call them?
They just call them ostriches.
No, they need to call them any predator or they need to call them a predator.
A flightless bird, maybe? Yeah, they probably call them flightless birds.
Yes.
You think a doggy could pull a human?
Yes.
Probably true.
Yes.
There's a big dog. Like a Zeke dog.
Like Zeke?
Ooh.
You know, I saw that fuzzy dog. It was big.
There's a big fuzzy dog. Ooh, it's really loose today.
No, 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 no. I love sliding on bikes, 'cause you know, they're so slippery. It makes our wheels go whoop, 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 whoop. It makes our wheels go sideways.
Yeah.
So, look, we got to another one.
Yep. Thank you. You guys are good. Thank you.